Okay, let's animate E letter, solo E letter layers, and we need to understand where the letters lines ends. Pull the left guide. Also, we need to understand where the middle line ends and pull the left guide to middle line. Okay, let's animate top line. Open path settings, select right point and move it to the right. Add menu, let's add trim path and value change to 0. Add keyframe, 20 frames forward and change value to 100. Add start keyframe, 20 frames forward, and find a value such that line ends with guide. Select keyframes, right click, keyframe velocity and change values to 95 and 95. Select next keyframes, right click, keyframe velocity and change values to 95 and 95. Shift the keyframes closer to the beginning. Okay, move to last trim path keyframe. Open position. Add keyframe, 2 frames forward. Add keyframe and back to the first and move shape a little higher. Select keyframes, right click, toggle hold keyframe. Open stroke settings, add width keyframe, move it 2 frames forward and change value, make it thicker. Select keyframes, right click, toggle hold keyframe. Play preview and let's watch what we got. Okay, let's animate bottom line. Animate bottom line, duplicate top line. Open position, remove keyframes and move this shape to bottom. Add position keyframe, move it 2 frames forward and pull the shape down. Select keyframes, right click and toggle hold keyframe. Let's open width settings and find first keyframe and change value. Enter and rename it to E bottom. And move this layer forward on the timeline. Okay, let's animate middle line. Duplicate bottom line. Open all layer keyframes. Move time marker to the last keyframe. Remove width and position keyframes. Pull shape layer in the middle. Pull left guide and mark the end of line. Already done. Delete last version of middle line. And we need to change start value. Don't forget to put your marker to keyframe. Let's play preview. Okay, now select vertical line and pull left guide to the center of stroke. Duplicate bottom line or top line. Open all keyframes and remove width and position keyframes. Don't forget to put your time indicator to last keyframe. Open rotation and change value to 0. And level it with guide. Cool. Move these shapes forward on a timeline. Select all E letter and move it forward. Also, we need to rename this layer to E vertical.